What is going on, everybody? This is Bahomie from Jet Black Redwood City location. It looks like we have a snake in the house. Right here we have this 2021 GT500 that's going to be tinting the full car, including the front windshield with our nano ceramic window film. But this window film is so clear you won't even believe that it's on there, because there's one huge misconception. The darker the tint does not mean more protection from the heat and UVs. So we're going to be putting our clear, transparent nano ceramic window film on the front windshield. As you see right here, it looks very, very clear. And the main reason everyone does the front windshield, because that's where all the heat comes in from, to your dashboard, steering wheel, two front seats, face side skin, just makes the whole car hotter. And you'd even have to darken how the window currently looks to even get that protection. As we walk around, when it comes to the back windows, legally there's no restriction. That's why everyone likes to get the limousine tint. Why not? It's legal, so take the full advantage of that. But you know, you always want to go lighter on the two front windows, you know, just to give it a little smooth blend from dark to light. Here we have it, and we're happy to work on everyone's car. No matter what make, model, year, come on over here. We'll get that done. Long story short, you don't have to affect your visibility at night to get some protection from the heat and UVs. You can keep it clear and keep it safe.